friends, welcome back to Swati Ganesh Creations. I hope every one of you are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my living room tour and the transformation that I gave to my living space for this festive season. As Diwali is around the corner, I hope this video will be useful for you guys. And many of the decors that you see in this video are either my DIYs or the traditional decors which I collected over the years. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So this is how my living space is looking right now because I have started cleaning everything before we set up. So the first step I did was to remove my curtains, and I have installed these lights, star lights, which I got from Amazon last year. You can find some hooks here. This was installed by the owner of this house itself, so it was already there. And about these lights are good, but the big stars have stopped working within an year, which is a disadvantage. So now let's start decorating. So for the foyer area, I'm just going to use this wooden shelf here, and in this I'm just going to place some small brass idols. And beside it I'm just hanging my DIY Buddha wall hanging, and links to all my DIYs will be in the description box below. And below it there is a space where I have added this green mat, and on it I'm adding this terracotta table, and on this I'm going to add this terracotta lady. This lady I have shown in one of my haul video, and this artificial branch I got from Amazon, which looks amazing. So this is how I have decorated my foyer. There are two shelves near the foyer where I'm just going to add a diffuser, and on it a Buddha statue, and I'm going to add the ceramic plate. I'm just going to place a brass diya. So now I'm just taking a plate here on which I'm going to place one brass vase, and these are like wine bottles which I spray painted them. So I'm just going to place them here. For the living space, I'm going to use multicolors and antique elements for this Diwali season. So on the top, I have just placed a stool, and on it I have placed this table lamp, and beside it I'm placing my favorite decor, Buddha face, and these two candlelight holders which I got from Home Center. I painted this lady recently as a giveaway for one of the subscribers, which I'll be sending away shortly. And beside it there is a space where I'm adding the stand, and on it a snake plant. Height under plant is always better because it makes our work easy. We can easily clean the floor. And here on the intercom phone I have just ordered a crochet cloth which was done by my Amama. And on the above I'm not going to add much. I'm just adding a plant along with one artificial plant. On this side I have added my painting. This was done almost like 7 years back. It's one of my favorite. And here I have installed a S hook on which I use this Kathakali face. So that is how I have completed this corner of my living space. Colors which I have used here mostly are like blue, white, green, yellow, orange, and little bit of pink, and some antique elements. Now let's decorate this corner, for which I have taken these two hanging planters. I got this from Facebook Marketplace, and it costed me around 200 for each piece, which I think is reasonable because these are quite sturdy. And on this I am just going to place my trunk which I painted last year for Diwali. I have a video on this trunk painting. I'll put the links of all those videos in the description box. So since we have added a height under this trunk, it's easy for us to clean and maintain the space as well. So we have some space below where I'm going to add these two wooden decor items. And on the top, I'm going to place some of my DIYs. And on this corner I'm adding this ZZ plant. Actually this corner gets zero sunlight and the ZZ plant is doing quite well here. And I'm adding some 2 decor pieces which I got from Gangtok when I went on a tour. Beside the trunk, I have placed this metal stand on which I am placing an indoor plant, and above the space I have a glass shelf installed in which I am placing this decor piece along with some artificial flowers. This decor piece I got from Vijayawada. I have shown it in one of my haul video as well, and this ball piece I got from Sikkim. And here I am going to install my DIY. This corner has mostly yellow and orange shades, and this is another DIY which I am going to place here. And that completes this area. This runner I made for last year Diwali with some remaining material, and this is a bamboo mat which I have used here like this to cover this pot, and that's how I have completed this corner of my living space. Near my TV unit, I have used the chumbak jar as remote organizer, and I have placed some ceramic decors which I got from US. And here I am just placing this glass tortoise. I have some space below where I have placed the sun painting along with the money plant, and for this corner I am just going to place this Buddha statue. This is also one of my favorite. And here I am just going to use my DIY vase along with some artificial flowers, and then I am going to place this floor lamp. So here I am just going to add a metal stand along with this Buddha planter, and I am going to take a bamboo basket in which I have placed my DIY succulent which I made with pistachio shells. So I'm going to use some baskets and a decor piece which I did while I created a statement wall. I have a video on it. I'll put the link in the description box. You guys can check it out. Here you can see 2 hanging planters, and I'm going to change the color of the black panther as well to white. And in the middle I'm going to install this painting. This Tanjore painting is done by my mother-in-law. It was done almost 10 to 15 years back. So now let's decorate the sofa. Cushion cover I got from HomeStop, and these cushion covers I got from Big Bazaar almost 2 years back. They're still so good. So that is how I have completed the sitting space in my living room. For the center I have used this round carpet which I got from Amazon, and this stool I have painted it. It was actually in brown color and it was quite damaged. So I used chalk paint to paint it and used a sticker in the middle. And that's how I have completed this portion of my living space. There is a big arch here along with some 4 shelves. For the first shelf I just placed a DIY along with one vase, and for the second shelf I am going to place this Ganesha. I have very few brass collections and this is one of my favorite in that. And even in the third shelf I am going to use some brass decors. And in the last shelf I have just placed this bamboo stool. So this is how I have decorated this portion. So I have asked my owner if I could paint the damaged portion of these pillars. I'm waiting for his reply. And this is my dining space where I have installed a wall clock and 2 DIYs. I'll put the link to all my DIYs in the description box. Let's decorate the dining area. And this is one of my DIY candle holder. Since we are adding brass everywhere, I wanted to add one here. So I just added a brass along with artificial topiary. And for the runner, I'm going to use my DIY runner. This I did for my last year Diwali. And on this, I'm going to use a crochet cloth which was done by my Amama. And on this, I'm going to place a gold placemat which I got from Home Center. And on this, I'm going to place a tray along with some candles and an artificial plant. And that completes my dining table decor. I have kept it minimal because we'll be using dining table every day, so I don't want to overcrowd it. So there is one hanging shelf beside the dining table where I have just placed some decor pieces along with my DIY and an artificial creeper. In the side, I have just used a welcome board here, and these beautiful printed curtains you see here are from Ethnic Rajasthan. I love the quality and print, and the white ones are from Amazon. So I'm just using a bangle here to put these two white curtains together like this. So after installing curtains, that's how the area is looking now. And I have just used a hanging plant here. There is one hook, right? I have just hung a plant over there. Opposite to my dining space is my temple region, and here on the curtain rod I have used a S hook and hung this light. And here is my favorite Alexa. On top of it, I just added a bangle for pop of color which I'll be using when I'm not using these lights. And there are two wooden shelves here on which I place some metal decor, and below it I place some artificial topiary. And this is my temple region which I painted recently. I have shared a video on it, but I was not satisfied with the outcome, so I changed it further. And here I placed a ottoman with some cushions. And this is how my temple region looks. So friends, it's time for the before and after look.
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time, baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day. And it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align. And it feels so bright, it's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed
So friends, here is the night look.
me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry if
This DIY rangoli which I showed in my last video.
tomorrow, for now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. 'Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything alright? The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone.
Hope you guys would have liked today's video. If you guys liked today's video, please give a thumbs up because that's going to motivate me to do more such videos. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking on that ting 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 bell icon so you get notifications of all our future videos. I have mentioned my previous year Diwali Techar video link in the description box. You guys can check it out. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. I'll see you all in the next interesting video, guys. Until then, this is Swati Ganesh signing off. Bye bye, friends.